Hi students, in this video you are going to see graphs of data handling, that is chapter 3. First we will see use of graphs with a different purpose. Bar graphs can be used for finding the measures of central tendency. As we know, the observations with the more frequency is the mode. Hence, the bar with the tallest height must be the mode of the data. Now we will see choosing a scale. It is important to choose the scale according to the given data, as the length of the bar depends upon the scale we choose. Already you learned in lower class also. Okay, so correctly how to choose the scale according to the data. Now we will see bar graph. It is the representation of data with the use of bars of the same width and length of bars depends upon the number of frequency. Now you see example. Following data gives total marks out of 600 obtained by 6 children of a particular class. Represent the data on the bar graph. You see the tabular column. Students Ajay, Bali, Deepthi, Aisa, Geeta and Hari. Marks obtained 450, 500, 300, 360, 400 and 540. You see the graph. So I have taken the scale 1 unit equal to 100 marks. 1 unit equal to 100 marks. That means one unit is having 10 small divisions. So one division is 10 marks. One division is 10 marks. Okay. Now you take a x-axis, that is first you tabular column, you see students, the first one is students, always take x-axis. X-axis as students and y-axis marks obtained. Y-axis marks obtained, that is marks out of 600. So in the y-axis I am taking the marks. In x-axis students. Now you see in y-axis 1 unit 100 marks. That means 10 small division you have 1 unit. That is each small division is 10 marks. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Up to 600 you take in y-axis. Now you leave one box, that is 1 unit. First unit you leave it. The second unit you draw the bar of Ajay. Ajay is 450. So 400, the middle, correctly middle, you have to complete the bar. That is Ajay 450. So next 500. Next bar you take 500. Up to 500 you draw. Next box you give blank. Now you draw the bar up to 300. That is a Deepthi 300. The next unit you leave it. Then you draw bar up to 360, 300, 310, 320, 330. That is one small division is 10. So 350, next word 360. Okay, you complete the bar. Next box you leave it. Okay, next unit you leave blank. Then you draw the bar up to 400. The next word unit you leave it. Then you draw up to 540. So like this easily you can draw the bar graph. So the width should be same. The width of the graph, you see, it is same everywhere. Width of the graph same. Okay, everywhere. That is very important. While drawing the graph, take the correct width, equal width you have to take. Okay, in the bar graph, you have to take equal width. Now we will see double bar graph. This is the same as the bar graph, just the two bars are joined off to represent two data on the same graph. This is used to compare certain information. For example, represent the number of wild animals found in two states given below in double bar graph. You see the tabular column, wild animals, lion, tiger, elephant, rhinos, zebra. Karnataka 20, 16, 30, 15, 25 given. Whereas Tamil Nadu 18, 20, 25, 22, 28 given. This is the data. You have the data in the tabular column. Wild animals, states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. For example, you take lion means Karnataka 20, Tamil Nadu 18. Take tiger means Karnataka 16, Tamil Nadu 20. So like this it is given the tabular form. For this data, you have to draw the double bar graph. You see the diagram. See the diagram. Graph diagram you see. Here you take x-axis as name of wild animals. Always the first one in the tabular column, the first row. Okay, you have to take x-axis, that is name of wild animals. Okay. Then in the y-axis, the data, that is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. That is, we are going to draw double bar graph. So that you take y-axis, that is number of wild animals. Y-axis represent number of wild animals. X-axis represent name of wild animals. So you have to take correctly. Now in y-axis I have taken the scale, that is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 like this. That is 1 unit equal to 5 wild animals. The scale 1 unit equal to 5 wild animals for y-axis. Okay, first we will see the uh, line for Karnataka 20. So you draw the bar. You have to draw the bar up to 20. So in 1 unit, half unit you take uh, Karnataka. Another half unit you take Tamil Nadu. Okay, in 1 unit, or you have to take 2 unit. 2 unit you have to take. Then you have to leave the width. Same width you have to leave. Clear? You see that double bar, the widths are same. Clear? So either you take in 1 unit, half of the unit take Karnataka, half of the unit take Tamil Nadu. Clear? Then only it will look nicely. Clear? So here first we will draw line for line. Line is 20. Up to 20 you draw one bar. Then for Tamil Nadu up to 18 you have to draw. Clear? Here 18 means 15. That is 18 means 15 next to what? 3. So 6. 6 small division you have to take. Then you complete the bar. Okay. Same way tiger. Tiger Karnataka. Okay. Half of the unit you take. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, half of the unit you take. Karnataka, how much in for tiger? That is 16. 16 you draw up to 16. 15 next to 2 small division you take. Then Tamil Nadu 20. So up to 20 you draw the bar. Clear? So here you see the first double bar and the next double bar you see the width is same. Clear? So here first what you leave it 1 unit, you draw the bar. Next leave it 1 unit, you draw the double bar. Again leave it 1 unit, again you draw the double bar. Okay. Here elephant. So Karnataka 30. Up to 30 you take half of the unit. In 1 unit, half unit you take Karnataka. Half unit you take Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu 25, correctly, exact 25. You draw the bar. Then 1 unit leave it. Then Rianos you take for Karnataka half of the unit, that is up to Rianos, Karnataka up to 15. Then 22 Tamil Nadu 22 you take. Then Zebra you take 25 and 28. 28 means after 25, 6 small divisions you have to take. Clear? So like this easily you can draw the bar graph, double bar graph. Next we will see some exercise 3.3. Fourth problem you see. The performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph, choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. Subject given: English, Hindi, Math, Science and Social Science. In the first term marks, maximum mark 100 given, 67, 72, 88, 81, 73. Second term maximum marks 100, that is 70, 65, 95, 85 and 75 given. Then after the drawing the double bar graph, you have to find out answer for the given question. You see, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? Then in which subject is the improvement is least? Third one, has the performance gone down in any subject? You see the graph. See the graph. Here, x-axis you have to take subjects. Y-axis you have to take marks. So marks, 1 unit, 10 marks you have to take. Okay, y-axis marks 10, 20 up to 100 you should take. Then same way, you leave it 1 unit, then in the next unit you draw the bars. Half of the unit you take first term, half of the unit you take second term. Clear? Then again leave it 1 unit, then draw the double bar. So like this easily we can do. Here you see, here one small division is 1 mark. Remember, one small division is 1 mark. So first first term English mark is 67. You draw the bar 67 up to 65, 66, 67. Okay. After 60 you take 7 small divisions. Okay. Then draw the bar. Then the next half unit you take 70 up to 70, that is second term marks. You draw the bar. This is double bar. This is called double bar. Again leave 1 unit. Again you draw the double bar. You see here first term marks, that is 72, 70, 71, 72 draw. Clear? Then 65 up to 65 you draw. Clear? Same way. Again 1 unit you leave it. Again half of the unit you take first term, half of the unit second term. So 88 means 85, 86, 87, 88. After 85, 3 small division you take to complete the bar. Then again 95 up to 95. Correctly 90, 100 middle you have to take 95. The next unit you blank. Okay, leave it. Next what unit you leave it. The next unit, half of the unit you take first term. Science mark, that is 81, 80, then 1 small division. Clear? You complete the bar. Then half of the unit you take second term, that is up to 85. Up to 85. Okay, like this you draw social science also. 73 and 75. You draw the bar. This is double bar. Okay, here you see that coloring given. Light blue color, that is first term. Dark gray, that is second term. Clear? Dark gray, that is second term. So like this easily we can draw the double bar graph. You do it in the graph sheet. The graph you have to do it in the graph sheet. Then only you will get what exactly and beautifully you will get. Okay, then you draw the graph and paste it. Next we will see the fifth problem. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Favorite sport: cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey, athletics. So watching 1240, 470, 510, 430, 250. Participating 620, 320, 320, 250, 105. That means in favorite sport cricket, watching 1240, participating 620. Like this, it is given basketball, swimming, hockey, and athletics. Then first you draw the bar graph. Then you can find out the uh, answer for the questions. Then you can find out the answer for the questions. The first question, it is given, draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scales. What do you infer from the bar graph? Which sports is most popular? Which more preferred watching or participating in sports? Okay, so easily you can draw the bar graph. Here you take the x-axis as sports, y-axis you take it number of peoples. Here one unit, 100 people I have taken, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 up to 1300 you take it. According to the data you have to take the scale. Okay, here one unit is 100 people for y-axis. Clear? Cricket, first cricket you see, you leave it one unit, the next unit, half of the unit you take watching for cricket, half of the unit you take participating for cricket. Okay, same way you have to what draw for basketball, swimming, hockey, and athletics. So here you see the watching for blue color, participating for dark gray. Clear? So easily you can draw the graph. You draw the graph in the graph sheet and cut it and paste. Clear? Now you answer the following questions. Clear? Draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. This one. Clear? We have drawn. Second one, which sport is the most popular? Which sport is the most popular? So on seeing this graph itself, you can easily tell most popular sport is cricket. Clear? Because most of the people watching and participating. So that is most popular game. Then which more preferred, watching or participating in sports? So always watching only more. Clear? So easily you can draw the double bar graphs. Clear? So like this same type of questions I will give it as homework. You do the homework problems for better practice.